Hi guys, it's Noah Thatcher from Mid-City Engineering. On today's workshop, we're going to talk about how to outfit a sprinter. The first step for outfitting a sprinter is remote start and alarm. Every sprinter needs a remote start and alarm. Almost no sprinters come from the factory with an alarm, so you should add one. We have our Smart Key Starter SKS NG906 for 07 to 18 sprinters. We have our SKS NG907 for 19 and up. You can, with that piece out of the box, it will do basic alarm. You can add a CompuStar DAS sensor for shock, tilt, glass break, and tow sensing. You can add an external siren, or you can use the factory horn. Out of the box, it'll do lights, and you can add drone. It'll get alarm notifications, RF remote, also two-way alarm notifications if it's a two-way remote, and there's an LED included. If you just want to add alarm, you can do so with our 907 INT. We have two platforms, one for CompuStar and one for directed. Gives you plug and play alarm integration. All you have to do for your alarm brain is hook up power, ground, and ignition. Smart Key Starter has ports for both directed SmarterStar and CompuStar drone. Full integration, lock, unlock, remote start, stop, vehicle notifications, alarm notifications, and the works. With the Smart Key Starter, you can also add high idle. SKS NG906 RV and SKS NG907 RV, along with remote start and security, will add high idle. Remote start will activate high idle automatically with an optional off switch, and you can also activate high idle with the high beam stock. We have standalone high idle options as well. If the customer just wants high idle, you can control that from the high beam stock, all plug and play. We have on-demand camera solutions for every Sprinter 2019 and up. Plug and play integration or an OBD programmer, depending on the camera type. And that will allow users to operate the camera at any time. Our OBD programmers allow for custom features and settings, and you can outfit the vehicle however you want. We have on-demand camera, we have auto mirror folding, we have tire change programmers, and more. Hey guys, thanks for joining our workshop. I hope you learned something today about outfitting a sprinter. If you want to know more, please go to midcityengineering.com. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.